Podcasts. What if I told you that right now, artificial intelligence is creating better user personas in minutes than teams used to make in weeks?
That's actually a bit misleading. AI isn't really creating better personas, it's just processing data faster.
Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing the way companies understand their users, what this means for product development, and why some surprising findings are challenging everything we thought we knew about user research.
And I've got to say, what's happening in this space is fascinating. The numbers we're seeing from recent studies are pretty eye-opening.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a user persona, and why do companies invest so much time in creating them?
Well, a user persona is essentially a fictional character that represents your target user. It's based on real data about actual users, their behaviors, needs, and pain points.
And traditionally, creating these personas has been quite a process, right?
Oh yeah, it's been incredibly time-intensive. Teams would spend weeks conducting interviews, transcribing notes, and analyzing data just to create a single persona.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. And here's the thing. According to recent research, many of these traditional personas would become outdated almost as soon as they were created.
So how exactly is AI changing this process?
Well, according to a 2025 study from the UX Design Institute, AI tools can now analyze massive amounts of user data in real time. We're talking about analytics logs, survey responses, support tickets, social media interactions.
That's a lot of data points.
Exactly. And what's really interesting is that AI can spot patterns in this data that human researchers might miss entirely.
You know, that reminds me of something similar happening in video game character development.
Oh yeah, it's actually a fascinating parallel. Both fields started with very simple static representations and have evolved into these incredibly dynamic, data-driven models.
But here's what I'm wondering. Are these AI-generated personas actually more accurate?
According to recent market research data, businesses using AI personas are achieving up to 40% better alignment between their product design and market needs.
That's a significant improvement.
It is, but there's an interesting catch here. The most successful teams aren't just relying on AI, they're using it to enhance their human research efforts.
What do you mean by that?
Well, according to a systematic review of 52 research articles from 2022-2024, the best results come from human-AI collaboration models.
So it's not about replacing human researchers?
Not at all. In fact, here's something counterintuitive. Teams using AI personas often end up spending more time talking to real users, not less.
Wait, how does that work?
Because AI handles the data processing grunt work, researchers can focus on what humans do best, building empathy and understanding the emotional aspects of user behavior.
That makes a lot of sense. But what about the accuracy of these AI-generated personas?
Recent studies show that AI-generated personas have a predictive accuracy of 85 to 95%. Compared to just 50 to 70% for traditional methods.
Those are impressive numbers.
They are, but it's important to note that these results only come when the AI is properly trained and validated.
What does that validation process look like?
It involves continuous monitoring across multiple metrics, purchase patterns, brand engagement, customer segments, market trends, typically over 12 to 36 months.
That's quite a long time.
Yes, but the payoff is significant. Companies using validated AI personas are seeing 35 to 50% improvements in customer retention.
Let's talk about the actual implementation. How do companies start using AI for persona development?
The first step is defining clear research objectives and establishing dynamic segmentation models. You need to know what you're looking for before you start.
Makes sense. What comes next?
Then you need to set up multi-channel data collection, social media, browsing behavior, purchase history, while ensuring compliance with privacy regulations.
That brings up an important point. What about privacy concerns?
This is crucial. The research shows that ethical considerations and data privacy compliance need to be built into the system from the ground up.
Are there any other challenges companies should be aware of?
Yes, one major issue identified in the research is the over-reliance on closed commercial AI models, which can create a monoculture in persona development.
What do you mean by monoculture?
When everyone uses the same AI models, there's a risk of all personas starting to look and feel the same, losing the unique insights that make them valuable.
That sounds like a serious concern.
It is, but there are ways to mitigate it. The key is using AI as a tool for enhancement rather than replacement.
Let's talk about success stories. Can you share some examples of companies doing this well?
According to recent case studies, companies like Airbnb are using AI to create dynamic, real-time personas that evolve with user behavior.
How has that worked out for them?
They've seen significant improvements in user engagement and booking rates by using AI to personalize experiences based on these dynamic personas.
That's impressive. What about smaller companies?
The research shows that even small teams can benefit from AI personas, particularly in reducing the time needed for initial user research.
How much time are we talking about?
According to UXPin's 2024 report, what used to take weeks can now be done in minutes, though it's important to note that this is just the first draft.
Just minutes? That's incredible.
Yes, but remember, the real value comes from how teams use that extra time for deeper, more meaningful user research.
Looking ahead, what do you see as the future of AI in persona development?
The research suggests we're moving toward more sophisticated human-AI collaboration models, with AI handling data analysis while humans focus on interpretation and strategy.
That sounds like a powerful combination.
It is, and it's already showing results. Teams using this approach are seeing up to 40% better product market fit.
As we wrap up, what's the key takeaway for companies considering AI personas?
The research is clear. AI isn't replacing traditional persona development, it's enhancing it. The most successful teams use AI to handle data processing while focusing their human expertise on interpretation and strategy.
That's fascinating and quite different from what many people might expect.
Exactly. It's not about replacing human insight, it's about giving humans better tools to understand their users.
Well, that brings us to the end of the podcasts. Remember, when it comes to AI and user personas, the goal isn't to remove the human element, it's to enhance it.
And maybe that's the most important insight of all. Sometimes the best way to understand humans is to let machines handle the numbers while we focus on the stories.